Good evening, this is Jan. Now I just got back from the Polish supermarket where I found this package of herring. And of course, in Poland, herring is a very popular fish, as it is in other Northern European, Central European countries. Especially in Poland, they got so many flavors, like with sauces that they use with herring, like mustard sauce, tartar sauce, you name it, they got it, like almost. So this is from the Lisner brand, which is like, in my opinion, the best Polish brand for seafood. Let's take a closer look. These are Fillets śledzowe, that means like herring fillets, a la Matjas. That's the classic flavor. This is a very traditional Polish product. This is Soused herring. And what I read about this is that it's based on Dutch new herring. So that is quite interesting for me, being a big fan of Dutch new herring and Polish herring. Here's what it looks like. This has been barrel aged for about a couple of days. Marinated in some, brine, I think, yeah, that's what it is. There's a very strong smell from this herring. And this is what it looks like on the plate. And now before I'm gonna use this in a dish, I'm gonna try this plain, just to get to know the flavor. Yes, that is very salty. That's what people are saying in some reviews and stuff, some recipes. This is salty, this is briny. I like the flavor. It's very fishy. Of course, it's herring. I like it. I can use this in a recipe, for sure. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So, I'm gonna make a baguette using this herring. Then first, I need to do some preparations. There are just a couple of basic ingredients that I need for this sandwich, for this baguette. And these are red onion, sliced, plus dill flavored pickles, also from Polish brand Rolnik. I'm just gonna use one, that must be enough. I'm gonna slice it as thin as possible. Time to build the baguette. Then I'm gonna put some beetroot slices, also from Rolnik, by the way, on the baguette. Get a spoon. Because beetroot and herring, they go very well together. That's what I know. That must be enough. Then some horseradish for a little bit of pungent spiciness. Gonna have to divide this over the beetroot, like this, yeah. This way is gonna be nice. By the way, this is from a German brand too, no Polish brand. This is. Then I will put the herring in there. Yeah, they say you should soak this first, get all the salty brininess out of there, but I think I'm okay like this. Yeah, it should be okay. Then a little bit of black pepper. Some parsley, some herbal touch. And then I'm gonna just put a couple of slices of the red onion in there, plus some of the dill pickles. That looks nice, yeah. And then I'm gonna, I'm gonna cut this. Makes it more easy to work with. So here it is, the a la Matjas herring baguette. Looks okay. Time to eat. Still, that saltiness. That brininess, that's very prominent. But then I got all the other flavors blending in. I mean, the sweetness of the beetroot, that fresh acidity from the pickles, of course, then the punchiness from red onion, horseradish, and a little bit of spice, black pepper. It's quite an experience. I can feel the horseradish getting into my mouth, my nose too, a little bit. This is heavy stuff. I mean, the saltiness especially. It's not about spices or pungent stuff, you know, it's that salty herring. That's what it is. Extremely salty. I maybe should have soaked it first, yeah, in water or milk even. Yeah, that's what some people suggest. You soak it in milk. Of course, the flavor becomes more mild. I should have known this, but a little bit stubborn. I wanted to try it like this. It's okay, but what I'm saying. So, actually, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to finish all of this baguette because of the strong flavors. But anyway, it's a nice experiment, this one. So, wanna Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food, even if it's a little bit heavy, like I do.